In less than 1 month. I've made like in GMV 146K, 29K in 30 days.
In
So
profit.
yeah, in profit. It's most of the money made just one video. It's crazy.
The whole thing happens just with you prompting.
It's way
Exactly.
better than organic. I was doing like organic drop shipping. I've tested 18 products. On the 19th one, it started to work out for me. But I've never seen profits like this because this specific product that you guys find me, it really push harder. So it's amazing.
When did you start with TikTok Shop and AI?
Yeah, I was in the program 6 months ago, but I had problems. For those problems, I wasn't really able to start it properly. And I would say max 2 months when I have started. The first month, I wasn't seeing any result, but the second month, it's just.
Okay, so second month, it's 30K profit, almost 30K profit in 1 month.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's almost 30K for me. It explode.
Wow. Yes.
I have just made the first video in 2 hours or three, but that one video went viral and just one video made all of the money. Most of the money made just one video. It's crazy.
Okay. Where do you live right now?
I'm currently here in Italy.
So in Italy, that's even more money then. What was the whole journey like? What was the struggles over the first month? Why didn't it work? And what do you think, why did it work now?
The account bans because when I was running the supplement, there was a ban wave for supplements in that specific month. That's why it wasn't really working for me. And then I bought multiple, in that moment, I bought multiple TikTok accounts. It got banned again and again and again. That's why mentorship program, the guys found this brand that was on another industry like skincare industry, so that one took off because there wasn't really a lot of ban on that.
How is it for you to transition from organic to all the AI stuff? How different is it?
It was very easy, man. You can't imagine how much it's like in breaking balls to take your phones every time and go outside or whatever. Just doing the video, all you can do right now with the AI, it's crazy. The same tough or even better because with AI you can be anyone, so it's way easier to sell.
Like specifically coming from organic to transition to AI is so insane. You feel the difference. Like for people who start with AI, this feels normal because they didn't experience how it is outside of this. But like from organic, the transition is the craziest one probably, because you know how hard it is to make these types of videos with like manually with your hand, and now you can just do it with prompts. What was the experience with the mentorship in general like for you? Like what was the main advice which was helpful to you, etc.?
Follow the all the instruction or all the guidelines to create this video, how to make this video, and just post. You need to be consistent, like on regularly basis. For me, it was pretty easy because I was already doing organic and I still do organic, etc. But for the people that start from zero, you need to stick with it, like post every day and do what they say. Just follow how they say and it's just gonna work. It works. This thing, it works.
Yeah.
They already know that what they're doing, so it's crazy.
This sentence is pretty important. Like this, it works. It's like for most people on YouTube, they don't think it works. They just watch this and they're not sure if it works. But it literally just works. Like if you just do this strategy.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's another thing. I have my friend. I was just talking to him the other day, and I just said to him, "Yo, bro, I hate 29K profit in less than 1 month," and he was like, "What?
Yeah.
Very crazy. I'm here in Italy. I'm struggling. I'm going all up to these cities and trying to sell the program for this company, etc. I have never hit numbers like this, and you just from home doing this prompt and just getting me all of these numbers."
Oh, he's doing like insurance sales or something, like door to door network marketing.
Yeah, the network marketing. I think you know very well the network marketing guys because you're already on online business. Those guys struggle really. Yeah, they have to go to the city to cities. They have to do all of this stuff.
It's horrible. I was so close to starting network marketing before I wanted to do dropshipping, and I'm so glad I never got into it properly. Now, like I know a lot of people who tried it. It's a really, really, really tough business model. But with this, like exactly what you said, like you can do all of it from home. Plus, the really crazy thing is that the whole thing happens just with you prompting. Like you only text with AI tools, you edit some videos, and you then post them. And that's all this whole business model entails. That's it. You don't have to worry about the back end, nothing. This is the beauty of it.
Customer service, stock inventory, suppliers.
It has upsides and downsides. The upsides is that you don't have to struggle with anything, and you can only focus on making good content. And once you are good at making good content, then you can move on to the next stage, which is building your actual own brand. But in the beginning, like if you want to start with your own brand, you then have to focus on 20 different things, and you never get good at content. So this is obviously the most important. Like if you go viral, if you just blow up on social media, obviously you're going to start making money, which like it's common sense. Yeah. Once you know how to blow up, what a good product is, things are pretty easy. Like this is the most valuable skill anyone could ever have. And this is something which is very important to understand. Like with affiliate, you're not just building money in your bank account, you're mainly building the skill of doing really good AI videos. It's a massive trend right now, and it's just going to go up from here. Like AI videos are going to take over the world fully. It's 100% guaranteed that AI videos in general are going to get better and better and better. And as long as there's no crazy regulations which are going to stop it, it's just going to go insane. And if these regulations happen, you still know how to make good videos. Like what is a good video? What is a viral video? And then you can, like, if there will be insane regulations, we can always go back to filming. But right now, this window of time where it for sure is unregulated and you can do anything with AI and it works really well, people have to do it now. And every 2 months, if you would have posted your video, which blew up, 2 months before that or 2 months later or whatever, most likely it wouldn't work because the trends move so fast and like the whole space moves so fast, the styles of content, and you just have to adapt. And this is kind of what we focus on in the mentorship program. We just make sure that people stay ahead of the curve, that you know exactly like what a good video is, what the trend is, what's working currently, and just everything you need to know before the majority of like the industry knows it. And the industry is very small right now. Now, most people are not good at affiliate. Like if you search up TikTok shop affiliate, Amazon affiliate and stuff like that on YouTube, the views are shit. Like you're not going to see any high views compared to dropshipping videos. If you talk about dropshipping, you go viral, it's easier on you as a YouTube video, like everything just goes like has way more views because the industry is bigger. This industry is significantly smaller right now because it's so new and because no one fully understands anything that's going on. But what I know is that it works extremely well because of this. Like with dropshipping, the competition is a million times bigger, literally a million times bigger than with TikTok shop affiliate and with Amazon affiliate, especially now. Also, like a new thing which popped up right now is being an affiliate for an Amazon brand. And Amazon has the craziest conversion rates ever because people trust Amazon. The conversion rate go like 5 times higher than with organic content and with like normal stuff. It's really strong.
Do you think is the conversion rate of TikTok shop is still higher than the Amazon with Instagram and Facebook pages?
I think Amazon is a little bit higher. I think Amazon is
because the people already trust Amazon for.
Yes, and then also you don't have to struggle with the account bans. You know, like right now, the main problem.
That's the main. That's the main.
The main problem on TikTok Shop is that you can only post on TikTok, and if you have an account that is like eligible for TikTok affiliate, then you can get banned, and then you have to buy another account, and it's an annoying process. So this is the kind of
it's a little bit of time. Yeah, it's a little bit of time wasting in my opinion, because of the currently I'm running only the TikTok shop, but I think I'm gonna run this Instagram page and Facebook page as well.
For people who don't know what we're talking about here, is essentially like if you do TikTok shop, obviously you can only post on TikTok. You can't really post on Instagram or anywhere else because there's the TikTok shop brand, right? Now with TikTok, there's a bunch of limitations, and it's like you have to have certain like aspects to have a good account, and you have to buy these accounts, and it's if you get banned, you have to buy another one or build it, and it's a process. With Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, you can post whatever you want, and you can have 0 followers, and you can start right away, and you can build something from scratch. You don't need like 5,000 followers, etc., to even start selling. And you have multiple platforms to post. So what we figured out is like why TikTok Shop was so crazy is because the conversions were insane. You can buy on the platform directly, like you see a video, you stay on TikTok, and TikTok like pushes these kind of videos, so it works really well. Now with Amazon is just so trusted. Like Amazon is almost the equivalent equivalent, if not better, than TikTok Shop, because people just buy on Amazon, they know what it is, and it's super trusted. So what we figured out is that if you become an affiliate for not a TikTok Shop brand, but an Amazon brand, you can then all of a sudden also post on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, anywhere you want. And this is something which gives you a massive advantage, because like back in the days with organic, you can now post on all the platforms, and the chance of you going viral is just higher. And you don't need to buy accounts. All these restriction issues are not a thing anymore. That's kind of a massive new update to the whole strategy. And it's definitely something which is really, really worth looking into. And we essentially connect everyone in the program with good brands from affiliate or TikTok Shop, depending on what you want. And you can always do both. Like you can always post the same video on TikTok Shop and on Instagram, and then just see what does better. Because you can make almost the same exact video and just post it on TikTok for TikTok Shop for the same exact brand, and then the same brand is also on Amazon, and then it just like distributed across all the channels. So it's a really big advantage.
This business model is way better than like network marketing or other affiliate type of businesses as well. Even the traditional dropshipping is better to do this way, because even I wouldn't really say like 1 month, but there are people that made like in 2 weeks or 1 month. So the thing is crazy. It doesn't really take a lot of time, because you're just learning and prompting, and this is the best thing that offer AI.
How would you describe the program to someone who's not inside of the program right now?
If you're gonna join this program and you think they're gonna just throw money in you, it's not like this. It doesn't really work like this. If you join in this program, you should be expecting to make the work. They're just gonna offer all the instructions how to make this thing work, because it really works. Put the work, and they're just gonna give you all the instruction, revision, find the best deals, and all of the stuff. So
the whole thing is like us telling you what to do and you doing it. And this is kind of the agreement we have with all of our students. If you do your part, we do our part, and that's it. You can join the program, not do what we tell you, and you're not going to make a single dollar off it.
It's not going to work. Yeah. Yes. You can pay whatever the thing is, but the thing is, you have to work. You have to put the work. It's not like some type of investment bank or investment type of thing. It's investment for yourself, that you learn something and you're gonna earn from it.
If you're watching this right now and you're actually serious about putting in the work, then you can sign up for a free consultation session. You can click the link below and we see if it's a good fit. I'd highly recommend you do that, because we just give you all the connections and like all the things which actually work right now. The thing you're gonna get is, what do you do? Like, what specifically do you do today, tomorrow, the next day? We can structure your day with you together and just tell you exactly what you need to do. And as long as you do it, you're going to start making money. Now, keep in mind, it might take a month, it might take 2 months, it might take way longer. Okay, we have to understand here, there is a luck aspect involved in terms of one video blowing up. If you post one video, you can get lucky with this video to go viral, or unlucky with this video to not go viral if you post once. However, if you post a few hundred videos, you just stack the luck so much in your favor that it's very unlikely that you're not going to make any money. And this is how this whole system works. And because it's so easy to make 100 videos with AI now, it's not that big of a deal. How long does it take you to make one video, for example?
Maximum 1 hour. It's way better than organic video, because in organic, you have to do all of the hard stuff. Maybe you have to go out and drive, so it takes way longer.
And here, within an hour, you have a really good video. And the more hours you just put into this, the more videos you're going to have posted every single day, and the more chances you're going to have to go viral. If you just post good videos, you will go viral. Because if you keep posting good videos, like a few hundred good videos, there's almost a 0% chance that you're not going to make any money, because good videos make money. That's just how it works. And we show you how to make a good video, which tools to use, what works right now, what's trending, etc. You just have to make the videos. Okay, so if you're actually willing to put in the work, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're going to see if it's a good fit.